Hello students, welcome to the second lecture of content writing course. In previous lecture, we gone through different requirements and course objectives. In this lecture, we shall discuss what is content, types of content writing in this course, digital content marketing, how to make money through content writing. So, first of all, we shall discuss content. It is important to know what is content. Content is the soul of every book, magazine, newspaper, blog post, email, and website, because without it, they are unable to say anything. Content is expressed through a medium like internet, CD, cinema, radio, television, book, smartphone, magazine, and ebook. Types of content writing in this course. There are different types of content writing, but in this course we shall cover some important types of content writing. We know content is the king. It is required in every type of document, whether it is in text, picture, and video format. You will learn following types of writings in this course. Here we shall move quickly by knowing these types of documents. We shall discuss each of these types of writings in detail separately in coming lectures. Ghostwriting, blog posts or guest posts, article writing, social media content writing, SEO based writing, content writing for websites, advertisements, greeting cards, presentations, report writing, proposal writing, resume and cover letters, newsletters, product description, press release, white paper, academic writing. So these are the types of content which we shall learn in this course. Digital content marketing. It is a marketing strategy in which content is created, published, and distributed to the target audience. Techniques to write effective content. Find your niche, select your own strengths or particular niche to start writing. Everybody knows what are his strengths and weaknesses. So we have to focus on our strengths and select our department, our field, our niche to start writing with. Gain experience. It is possible to get a job without experience, but you cannot get experience without a job. Digital content marketing. Work on your skills. You need to work on your skills to become a good content writer. You can develop your skills by focusing communication. It is very important to convey your ideas effectively. Problem solving. The problem solving skill is also required for a writer. Research. It's very important for a good writer to search right material and verify it. Adaptability. A writer should be adaptable as a content writer. Make sure that you can work on multiple topics with different focus at a time. Now, how to make money through content writing. It's an interesting topic, and I think most of the students would love to make money through content writing. Here are some ways to earn money as a content writer. In past, the earnings of writers were not sufficient, but these days content writing is a good field to earn handsome amounts. A writer can earn money through different ways, such as a content writer can make money by writing web pages. He can start a blog according his interests, and he can earn through advertisements. He can also make money by writing for others' blogs. A writer can earn by writing a book and selling it to make passive income. Make money by ghostwriting, writing books for others, write online course content for beginners to make money, work as a freelance content writer, write articles and sell them to different websites, contact different magazines or websites asking them to hire you as a writer, work as a press release, reports, proposal writer for a company, earn by writing product descriptions, contact greeting card websites providing them content, earn by creating presentations, earn through resume writing and cover letters. This was the today's lecture. We shall meet in the next lecture. Thank you.